everybody. This is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today we are going to be making chocolate sour cream cake. This chocolate cake has a velvety texture, and the addition of sour cream adds a lovely depth of flavor. It's rich, moist, and so delicious. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. First things first, sift together flour, cocoa powder, and salt. Place in a bowl, then set aside. Now let's move on to work on our wet ingredients. Beat the eggs in a medium bowl on medium speed to combine the yolks and whites. Gradually add sugar and beat on high speed for about 4 minutes. Beat until the mixture is fluffy, thick, and lightened in color and has tripled in volume. Next, we're gonna add in sour cream and beat well for 1 minute. Now add flour mixture and beat on low speed for 2 minutes. Stop the mixer and scrape the sides of the bowl. Continue to beat until everything is well incorporated. Now stir in baking soda in hot water. Add it to the cake batter along with the vanilla extract. Beat for another 2 minutes until everything is well combined. Use the spatula to do the final mix. Your batter should look runny, and that shouldn't worry you guys. That's the texture we are looking for. This is how it looks, guys. Now lightly grease a band pan with a non-baking spray. Then we're gonna pour the cake batter and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. The cake is out of the oven. We're gonna do the toothpick test. Allow it to cool, then invert to a serving plate. To make ganache, I have chocolate chip. I'm using high quality chocolate, guys, and heavy cream. So we're gonna pop on medium heat. Once the cream is warm, not boiling, pour the cream over the chocolate and leave for 3 to 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, gently whisk the mixture until smooth. We're gonna leave the mixture to stand for a few minutes and it will thicken slightly. Then we're gonna pour chocolate ganache over the top of the cake. The end result: tender, moist, and extra rich, luscious chocolate sour cream cake. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are new to my channel, welcome to Mama Bui's Kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe, to like this video, and to hit that notification bell so we stay connected. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.